Hello and welcome again to your daily dose of Amazon finds. Please like this video, it really helps me a lot. The Feppo Mini Bag Sealer is a 2-in-1 kitchen gadget that combines sealing and cutting functions in one compact machine. It features a magnetic strip on the bottom, allowing you to conveniently attach it to your refrigerator. This sealer is incredibly easy to use. Simply press the button to seal bags without any preheating. The electric jar vacuum sealer is an electrically operated device that allows you to seal mason jars at the press of a button, preserving the flavor and freshness of your stored food. It's compatible with both wide mouth and regular mouth mason jars and features an LED display for easy operation. The sink drain strainer is designed to make your kitchen cleanup easier. It has a patented design that allows it to invert for easy cleaning, making it simple to empty accumulated debris. Its chain mesh design ensures quick drainage while preventing dirty water from rising.
This 3-in-1 French fry cutter is a versatile kitchen tool equipped with 3 interchangeable blades. It can evenly cut French fries, carrots, zucchinis, cucumbers, and more. The stainless steel blades ensure durability and sharpness. The VacaMandelion food slicer is a professional-grade kitchen tool designed for precise slicing and julienning. It's made of high-quality stainless steel and features adjustable settings for thickness and julienne size. The slicer comes with a safe hand holder and a pair of cutting-resistance gloves to ensure safe and easy food preparation. The Ototo mushroom funnel is a unique and quirky kitchen gadget that makes transferring liquids fun and mess-free. It features a silicone mushroom-shaped funnel that can be placed inside the bottleneck of bottles or jars. By flipping up the mushroom head, you can easily pour liquids without spills. The silicone air fryer liners are essential accessories for your air frying adventures. These reusable liners are made of food-grade silicone, offering a safe and easy way to prevent food from sticking to the air fryer basket. The full-stop mandolin slicer is a versatile kitchen tool that offers unparalleled functionality. With 6 interchangeable blades, it effortlessly handles slicing and grating needs. Its compact and practical design allows for easy disassembly and comes with a specialized cleaning tool, ensuring a breeze during cleanup. These self-adhesive hooks are multifunctional and perfect for organizing various items in your bathroom, kitchen, living room, or office. The pack includes 6 holders with 4 elastic columns in 6 macaron colors. They feature punch-free mounting, allowing you to stick them to smooth surfaces without causing damage. The Tableton cheese slicer is a versatile cheese cutting tool. It has no blade, making it safe and easy to use for people of all ages. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable and secure handling, and the slicer includes a precision scale for creating perfectly styled cheese platters.
The microwave cover for food is a kitchen accessory that speeds up heating and prevents food spills in your microwave. It blocks the loss of heat and steam while heating food, ensuring quicker and more even reheating. The cover has a handle for easy lifting and placing in the microwave, and it also includes a water storage box to maintain food moisture. The Otodo Splatipus jar. Spatula is a fun and functional kitchen gadget designed to help you scrape and spread every last bit of your favorite spreads from jars. Its unique design allows it to reach all the nooks and crannies of your peanut butter or jam jar.
The round ice cube tray is designed for easy ice cube removal. Made of hard plastic, it allows you to release ice cubes with a simple twist of the tray. The tray comes with a lid featuring small holes for filling with liquid. Each tray can produce 33 round ice balls, making it ideal for adding a touch of elegance to your drinks.
The Blitz Home Sous Vide machine is a precision cooking device that offers precise temperature and timer control, ensuring tender and flavorful dishes. It features 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi remote control, allowing you to monitor and control your cooking from your smartphone.
The electric immersion deep fryer includes 3 baskets, 1 4-cute basket and 2 2-cute baskets, allowing you to fry different foods simultaneously. With 1700 watts of heating power, it quickly heats up to your desired temperature settings.
This Ziploc Bag Holder is a versatile kitchen tool that can be adjusted in height to accommodate various sizes of plastic bags. It features non-slip rubber bases to prevent spills and messes. The holder can be folded flat for easy storage and quick cleanup. The YBSVO electric knife sharpener is a 4-stage kitchen tool that offers precise sharpening and polishing for your knives. It uses diamond abrasives in the first 3 stages and a flexible resin disc in the 4th stage to ensure your knives are sharp and safe to use.
The Silicone Food strainer is a versatile kitchen tool that easily attaches to pots with 2 sturdy clips. It allows you to strain and drain liquids from foods such as pasta, ground beef, fruits, vegetables, and more. The strainer is compact and space-saving, making it a practical addition to your kitchen. The Sharp Meat Tenderizer is a premium quality kitchen tool with 24 stainless steel blades. These durable blades are resistant to corrosion and rust, making them suitable for repeated use. The ergonomic design includes a non-slip handle for comfortable and safe use. The Omont Drain Clog Remover set includes plastic drain clog removers and a stainless steel claw tool. The plastic removers are flexible and designed to reach deep into sink pipes to clear blockages. The stainless steel claw tool is effective at grabbing hair and debris.